Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Newton Crypto Ltd. Now, I know what you're thinking, another cryptocurrency exchange? Well, yes and no. While Newton is definitely a platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, it's also so much more than that. So, let's dive in and see what makes Newton so special. What is Newton Crypto Ltd? Newton is a Canadian-based cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2018. It's quickly become one of the most popular platforms for buying and selling cryptocurrencies in Canada, and for good reason. Newton offers a wide range of features and benefits that make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced traders. What are the benefits of using Newton? Low fees. One of the biggest advantages of using Newton is that it has low fees. In fact, Newton charges some of the lowest fees of any cryptocurrency exchange in Canada. This can save you a lot of money in the long run, especially if you're a frequent trader. Easy to use, Newton is a very user-friendly platform. It's easy to set up an account and start trading. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to find your way around. Wide range of cryptocurrencies. Newton offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more. This gives you a lot of options to choose from when investing. Secure. Newton takes security very seriously. It uses a number of security measures to protect your account and your funds. Excellent customer support. Newton has a team of dedicated customer support representatives who are available to help you with any questions or problems you may have. How to use Newton? Using Newton is easy. Here are the steps. Create an account. Verify your identity. Fund your account. Start trading. Additional features. In addition to the basic features mentioned above, Newton also offers a number of other features that make it a great choice for cryptocurrency investors. These features include Newton Earn. This allows you to earn interest on your cryptocurrency holdings. Newton Vault. This is a secure way to store your cryptocurrency offline. Newton Pro. This is a more advanced trading platform for experienced traders. Is Newton right for you? Newton is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a safe, secure, and easy-to-use platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. It's especially well-suited for beginners, but it also offers features that will appeal to more experienced traders. Conclusion. Newton is a great cryptocurrency exchange that offers a lot of value to its users. If you're looking for a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, I highly recommend giving Newton a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.